Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking down these old crusty dusty braids. So I've been wearing these braids for about 3 weeks now. So as you can imagine, they're ready to come out and just get a good cleanse and deep conditioning treatment. So first step is obviously to take down the braids. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm not going to show too much of this because I do have a video that is dedicated to my aftercare, I guess you can say, after wearing braids for some time. So I will link that for you and you can check it out after this video. I'm going to finish taking out the rest of my braids off camera. So now I'm just going to show you what I'll be using to deep condition my hair today. I'm going to be using this new product, which is from Twist by Ouidad, and it is their hair mask. It's called Sunday Feels. This is a new brand. They send me this deep conditioning hair mask so I can try it out and let you guys know what I think about it. As you can see, the consistency of the mask is super duper creamy and it's also really thick, and it's going to provide us with a lot of great moisture, which, you know, for having curly hair, that is definitely something we need in our lives. Just some information on the product. They use all good stuff. So some of the ingredients include shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. And none of the ugly stuff, as they say. So no mineral oil, petroleum, parabens, phthalates, any harsh sulfates, anything like that. Also no silicones. But yeah, so it is geared to provide your curls with moisture. Don't have to leave it in for a long time, just 3 to 5 minutes. So this is a deeply hydrating hair mask that claims to soften, reform, and restore, provides extra moisture for your curls. So they have a little moisture sort of rating here. Out of 5 little moisture droplets, this product gets 3 out of 5. So providing just the right balance in terms of moisture. And as you can see, as I'm applying it to my hair, it's just soaking it up, and my curls are just really loving it. So also want to give you guys a little bit of information on the scent. It's kind of hard to describe, but when I do smell it, the one thing that comes to mind, it has kind of like a spa sort of scent to me. So very fresh and spa-like, if that makes any sense. I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about 5 minutes and then I will rinse it out. So after rinsing the mask, these are my results. I could already see the moisture has been restored to my curls. I don't know if you could see the shine coming through. Definitely some definition there already forming in the curls. And then I'm just gonna style off camera, and here we are with the final results. So back to my curly hair, looking very, very juicy, moisturized, and just ready for the week. Definitely did its job in restoring my curls after wearing braids for 3 weeks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you are not part of the First Class Curly family, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.